It's very important when you're creating your toolpath, then you have an adequate number of toolpath elements. So you have to have enough to represent your toolpath as accurately as possible, but also do not have an excess number of toolpath elements just laying around there doing nothing and just slowing things down. Here, as an example, I have opened the exact same SendDoc in both versions, 2022.1 and 2023.1. And as you can see, when I program the same toolpath, other than being a little bit faster in the newer version, we have more toolpath elements. Once we open the toolpath inspector, we can see for the old version, we have 237 elements. In the new version, if we do exactly the same operation, just programming the toolpath, and then we go to the toolpath panel, we can see the number of toolpath elements that we have is only 198. So we have missed over around 30 elements. You can see where this comes from if we go to the previous version again, and then we see one of these curvatures. Here in the curvature, we have like maybe not the best distribution. Compared to the new version, we can see here the representation is very clear, especially around the curve down there. You can see one toolpath element is represented pretty much the entire circle. And also in the back, the separation in between elements is better. So this is one way we're trying to get closer and closer to the theoretical best toolpath possible with only the amount of elements that are necessary to represent it the best possible way.